I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. But clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this.
He is not dead. He is alive.
Good afternoon to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Pastor once again. Welcome to Ninong TV. You're watching live from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And for today's video, we will have a special video vlog in saving and to promote a good show for Mr. Big Soto, because somehow sometimes we are discovering him fake news, diba? Side comments, and lots of negative words or negative vibes. Especially, ito yung pinakaayaw nating mabasa sa lahat ng balita or social media, na patay na siya, diba? So hindi naman tayo basta-basta naniniwala sa balitang ito unless meron tayong matibay na proof of evidence. And even though, kasi lang naman yan fake news at pananira. And because of that, our vlog for today is a special tribute to Mr. Bossing and to save him against sa mga naninira sa kanya. So the title is Bossing is Not Dead, He is Alive. Okay. So kaway-kaway sa ating mga fans na favorite at love na love si Bossing Big Soto for through the years. Sama na rin ako diyan. So we are happy when we are watching him in Itbulaga, in some of the variety shows, and yet we get disappointed and sad, diba? Kapag may nakikita tayo fake news na hindi naman totoo, especially kapag ang balita is tsugi na siya. So the aim of this presentation on my video blog is to save Mr. Bossing, diba? Para i-prove natin at labanan natin yung mga maling social media na pinapakalat ng mga walang magawa, na siya ay buhay na buhay pa rin, serving the people and the Philippines. So, a little bit introduction lang from Mr. Big Soto. Marvic Valentin Castelo Soto, known professionally as Big Soto, is a Filipino actor, singer, and comedian known for and wide for his various television and film projects on the major Philippine television networks, GMA, TV5, and ABS-CBN. Okay. So, ito yung kanyang contribution. We will give you also here is the contribution or the activity that he do. And especially, the first slide that I will show you here is the fights that he did to show that he is alive. So, buhay naman talaga si Big Soto or si Boss. Hindi pa siya tsugi. Baka yung mga fans club niya patay na patay sa kanya. Diba? So talagang hanggang ngayon crush na crush pa rin siya. Pero kung sabihin mo kasi na tsugi literal, ang sakit naman. Diba? So hindi siya applicable to hear about that news. And we, fans of Mr. Bossing, is doing away para i-prove natin sa buong mundo and to Philippine showbiz that he's still alive and he made some fights. Pinapakita niya na buhay pa rin siya. Pinapakita niya na kaya niya pa mag-work sa industriya ng showbiz. I will show you here is the 2 shows of the Discord that he did last March ago. He became the Lazada model, and he also do a dance on EB Saturday noon time special, yung ano, parang school vocal ang dating nito eh, Bulagaan 2023, diba? Of course, his family picture. So, ito yung kanyang mga fighting toolkit para ipakita sa inyo na si Bossing ay buhay pa. At nariyan pa, ready to serve the people. So, check it out. Okay, thank you for watching. You just discovered the fight scene that Bossing did to show that he's still alive. Ito yung kanyang mga laban sa mga nagbubuli sa kanya. Pag ikaw ay inaapi, lumaban ka, diba? So parang FPJ lang yan, parang Henry C lang yan. Diba? Sa mga vlog ko, if the business is falling down, the business got bullied. So kailangan natin lumaban para ipakita natin na kaya pa rin natin at malakas pa rin tayo. Hindi tayo padadaig sa kalaban, hindi tayo padadaig sa kanila. Diba? So, we see that on his show, meron pa siyang mga Daddy Square episode. O naging model pa siya sa Lazada. Sumayaw siya and his family picture. So, we can see here that Bossing is literally alive. Diba? Big Soto is still alive. Hindi pa siya tsugi, hindi pa siya patay. Okay lang yung dead na dead sa kanya dahil crush na crush noon at ngayon. Pero yung sabihin mo siya na literally tsugi, pangbubuli na yun. Diba? Lalo pinopost mo pa sa social media. Pinopost mo pa kung saan saan. Buti na lang, mabait pa rin si Bossing. Hindi kayo inisa-isang tinatagak yan. But keep on fighting. He still do the show. Serving people, diba? Yan yung mga laban niya para ipakita na buhay pa siya. Okay, the next episode that I will present to you is his birthday. Oh, last week lang. Ito talaga literal na laban niya to para ipakita at isampal sa inyong lahat na buhay pa po si Big Soto. At celebrate po siya ng last week ago. And by the way, happy birthday po, Bossing, ha? And for this one, makikita nyo dito, Bossing and his family is celebrating in Bulaga and some of the family relation, friend relation. So, I will show you here that Bossing is still alive. So, kung kayo maniniwala sa Google, sa Facebook, wala na daw siya. No? Dito kayo maniwala sa Ninong TV. He's still alive. Okay? So, on the next episode is the birthday of Bossing.
Okay. Thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. We love you, love you.
Ito. Dali, message muna ako.
Sige, bossing.
Siyempre, birthday message. Isa lang ang message ko ngayong birthday ko to. Ito. Yun na yun. Okay. Yun na yun. Tapos.
lang. Sina Tito. At Joey. Magkano yung mga tinatanggap nyo? May 1,000 kanina, may 100. O ako, 5,000. Kakantahin nyo muna. O sige. Ikaw kakanta. Sige, sige. Hindi ako. Ikaw yung kakanta. Ikaw. Yung team song ng Showtime. Sige, tirahin nyo.
Ano? Ano ikaw? May alam.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Okay, for the next episode that you will witness on this vlog of Bossing is Not Dead, He's Alive is the CSR. Ano nga ba yung kanyang mga naitulong? Hindi lang to give happiness, hindi lang to give show, to give variety of entertainment. Pinapatawa tayo, pinapaiyak, pinapasaya, etc. sa kanyang mga naging role. And ngayon, ito naman yung literal na action, the CSR. So, for through the years, Bossing is working, di ba? Ano nga ba yung mga sharing of blessing na ginagawa niya din. So, to prove that he's still alive and he's still doing a good thing or a good way to help the people to rise up, di ba? Together with his team of Pitbulaga. Di ba? The CSR that he did, especially yung kanyang one for all for one, diba? So, lagi niya namang dala-dala to. And ano pa nga ba yung pwede niya pang maitulong sa ating industry? Helping people and to support our economy.
Ito, yung dalawa. Yung dalawa, bossing. Bakit pinaiyak si Alice Osima? Yung dalawa. Bakit po may umiiyak? Yung abogado, keep it sunny with Hanabishi. Okay, thank you, Ryan. Okay, ang total na napanalunan mo, Fred Rose, ay 65,000 pesos. May mga regalo pa. Ay, may ganap tayo. Pero shout out din sa mga salamat sa Panginoon para sa bayan. Yun.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of you. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na Bossing is not dead, he is alive. Siyempre naman, alive na alive pa rin siya. At huwag tayong maniniwala basta-basta sa mga fake news na wala na daw siya, na pumanaw na daw, kung ano nangyari, etc. Diba? But based on our family research, may namatay talaga sa Soto family. Hindi po si Big Soto. Kasi porket Soto, Big Soto agad. Yung mga mahilig manghuli kay Bossing at naisip pag namatay sa Sotos. May namatay po sa Soto family. At ito po yung asawa ni Mr. Maru Soto. Mr. Maru Soto is the brother of Big Soto. So, si Mr. Maru, pumanaw po yung asawa niya. Okay? So, yun po yung aming na-discover sa aming pagsisiyasat na meron po talagang pumanaw sa Soto family, but not Big Soto. That is the Mrs. Soto of Mr. Maru Soto, yung kanyang asawa. Okay? So, huwag po tayo mag-spread ng maling balita porket nakarinig ka lang ng Soto at galit ka pa sa kanya, ipopost mo agad, wala na siya. So, mali po yan. Sa pagganyang mga posting, it's a big responsibility, lalo na kung buhay ng tao at pinapos mo. Pwede ka rin padalitan, makasuhan, or pwede kang balikan ng ganyang tragedy. So, for this segment, we are giving you here a special educational vlog show and entertainment. And to save Mr. Bossing against fake news, diba? Bilang ako din, fanboy din po ni Mr. Big Soto. Since 2004, nanonood ako ng Itbulaga. Family ko, grandpa, grandma, daddy, mommy, tito, tita is laking Itbulaga sila. So wala pa ako Itbulaga na pinapanood nila. Sabi ko nga kay Lola noon, wala pa ako niyan, 1980s, 1970s, nung nag-represent ang TVJ sa Itbulaga. So, you know, the word that I can show you here, let's not spread a fake news, especially in posting Big Soto na patay na siya. You know, to be honest, Big Soto have issue naman. Like, sa political, sa scandal, or sa any variety of issue. But you know, lahat naman po tayo nagkakamali. Wala naman perfect sa mundo. Only our God is perfect, diba? So, on that case naman, karaanan na yun, kahit wala pa nga ako niya nung nangyari yung mga balita kay Bossing. But you know, that these cases is now past. Yan talaga yung patay na. Yan dapat ang isipin yung patay na, yung mga pagkakamali at mga issue, mga risk, challenges ni Mr. Bossing. Kasi ngayon naman napatawad naman na yan. Naayos na po, kumbaga close case na kung ano man yung mga nagawa niya noon sa politics, sa any connection. All of that matters is now done by Soto family and by Big Soto. So wala na tayong dapat isipin na ano ba to si Bossing, ganito ganyan, sama-sama, etc. So instead of saying that word, let's just pray here. He did more good to help others, diba? He did more production to give happiness and CSR for the people, diba? Mas ipag-pray natin siya na mas mapabuti pa siya. Hindi yung lagi natin siyang sinasapat, lagi natin siyang sinasabihan na patay na siya, or any fake news that relate on Itbulaga or on bossing families. So, instead of doing nonsense, diba? Instead na mas pagtripan natin siya, ipag-pray na lang natin siya, tulungan na lang natin siya, not in financial, but let's help him to be better, diba? Na mas mapabuti pa gawa niya, mas marami pa siyang matulungan, and then yung mga issue na yan pas issue naman, so, na natin silang isipin. Let's just think that bossing can do more, diba? Habang malakas pa si bossing and have a long life, have a good health, diba? Makabawi pa siya ng mas marami to help the people, the economy, mas marami pa siyang mapasaya sa industry, diba? So that is the more good way na dapat nating i-promote at dapat nating i-post kay bossing. Instead posting it that is dead, he have another son sa kay yung dating dancer daw na Bulaga. No. Ako, mga kawalang yan, yung mga post yung yan, itigil nyo na po yan. Kasi mas lalo nyo lang kung binibigatan ang problema ng ating industry. Okay, so that's all that I want to share about bossing, and as a fanboy of Mr. Bossing, I am Denver Castro, a video blogger from Philippines, and if ever you're watching Sir Bossing Big Soto, happy birthday po and have a long life, have a good day, and all your wishes become true, and I hope and pray that you did more good to all of our economy in the line of showbiz industry. You do more good and to help others. So ako po and some of my video blogger from Philippines na gumagawa ng support. So this is also our good fight para po labanan natin yung mga fake news na tumataga sa inyo na kayo po ay wala na. We are showing here on this video blog that you're still alive and well functioning, and this is for you, Mr. Bossing. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. To all of our fans, thank you, and God bless once again. And this is your Linong said. Let's spread the good news, the real news, hindi po fake news, especially in bossing. Instead of posting nonsense, hindi lang kay bossing, sa iba nating pamilya, kaibigan, o gusto nyo ba sila i-post din na choky na sila, o diba masasaktin din kayo. So let's post good and appropriate, diba? So iwasan natin yung mga fake news na yan, dahil lalo tayong lalapitan ng bad luck. Hindi tayo lalapitan ng swerte pag may ginagawa tayong karumal-dumal sa ating mga kapwa. Thank you, and goodbye.
Pumasok po kami lahat ngayong araw para makapagtrabaho, pero hindi po kami pinayagang umere ng new management. Not live. Hindi po kami pinayagang live ng new management.
Kung natatandaan niyo po, July 30, 1979, nang simula namin ang Itbulaga.
Saan man kami dalhin ng tadhana, tuloy ang 1,000 tuwa.